Hello and welcome back. I have a little bit of cold, but I just thought I should come here and share with you some things that I've been thinking about. And it's basically about vacation and how important it is for people who are working in tech or people who are transitioning in tech to take some time off. And I want to share things that have helped me during vacation period or when I take some time off. And I know sometimes we're very consumed working and you want to create value for your team. We do things for the company that we're working, helping them out to achieve their mission and their vision and all that stuff. But I recently took a vacation and I must say, I think anyone who is working in corporate tech need that break. And I know we live in like different parts of the world. I have viewers from America, Africa, different parts of Africa, of course, Sweden and some European countries. I know taking time off is very much different depending on which country you are from. But I am definitely recommending that you take vacation, because if you take vacation, it's going to help you understand yourself more. And what I did for me personally, I decided to disconnect totally. I wasn't on any social media platform. I didn't leave completely, but I decided not to look at social media or try to get into any social media platform. And I tried to like stay present. I tried to connect with myself, like understand myself as a person, and just a clean break. So I think when you take vacation, you basically are in a position where like you learn a lot about yourself. And second thing is you learn to connect with different people in your life. If you're a family person like me, it's easier to meet up with your family if you can and connect with them and bond and have this time together. So I think for me, that's something that I cherish. And the third thing that I think is very nice is also traveling. If you know me, I am a person who likes to travel. I like to visit new places. I like to try new food. And so for me, whenever I have vacation, I just want to go somewhere. Or if you don't want to travel, because I know traveling can be very expensive, and I would also suggest that you go to a neighboring country if you don't want to travel afar by bus, by train, or use whatever means of transportation that you have to get closer to the next country and just learn about their culture, learn about their food, learn about their history, go to their museums, go to cafes, and just have a chill moment and enjoy your vacation. One thing that you can also do is to walk around your neighborhood and basically try to see new things, smell a flower, walk around, rent a bike, or if you have a bike, use it and just bike around, try a new gym, and just do something that's different from the things that you're used to when you're not having a break or when you're not on vacation. I think personally, those are the things that I enjoy very much. And I think anybody who is in tech or is transitioning in tech should, or in any other field, should basically try and enjoy their vacation without a lot of noise, because I feel like when you do that, you rejuvenate, you feel good. And if you feel good when you go back to work, you're going to be mentally ready to basically do what is expected of you. Another thing that I think is nice to do when you are on vacation is to learn to appreciate small things, right? Learn to appreciate life, learn to feel good about breathing the air. You don't need to have everything. Appreciate little things. At least I think for me, that helps me a lot in terms of me enjoying life without the noise. And for me, when I say the noise, is social media. And if there is something that I like to do now, is to basically try to be as much present as possible, because I think being present will help you a lot in terms of being happy, in terms of feeling good about yourself. Because if you feel good about yourself, it will be easier for you to interact with other people, your family, your friends, because you feel good inside, and then it's easier for you to take that joy and pass it on to the next person. I just came here to share with you the importance of taking break, taking vacation, because it's good for you. It will keep you sane, make you feel good about yourself. And I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to share how I feel about taking breaks, because I feel like it's really good for anyone who is a career person to just stay away from everything and just take a a clean break. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, please do, because this helps me get motivated to create more content for you guys. It takes time to create this, so I appreciate the love, and I know some of you are watching from different parts of the world, and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and I will see you again next time. Goodbye.